Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your birthday on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe and let's move on. So in order to change your birthday on Snapchat, first you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen on your Snapchat. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Snapchat profile. Now once you're in your Snapchat profile at the top right, you can see the setting button. You want to click on the setting button. Now once you're inside setting, you want to click on the option called birthday. Click on birthday, and over here you can change your birthday now. So what you can do is click on your current birthday. So mine says 30 April 1997, so I can click on that. Once I click on that, at the bottom a slider thing will appear. Now over here I can change my birth date. So I'm going to change it to 2000. So I'm just going to scroll a bit up until I see 2000 over here. But you can change it to whichever date you want. It's up to you, alright? Now once you set it to the date which you like, you can click on continue and the date will be changed. And you need to remember this. Your date can only be changed like a couple of number of times. So if I change my date right now, then I think I can only change it like 4 or 5 times after this. Not even 4, I think 3 times after this. So you need to keep that in mind. And remember, it's going to take you 24 hours for your birthday to be changed completely. So you need to be a bit patient. Just because I click and continue doesn't mean my date will change instantly. It's going to take 24 hours for this to be, taken into effect. So that's how you guys can change your birthday on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time. And yeah, if you guys are over your limit of changing your birthday on Snapchat, then by following the step which I just showed you, you are not going to be able to change your birthday because you have crossed over the limit. In that case, we have made a video on how to change your birthday on Snapchat after limit. You can watch that video to know how you guys can change your birthday if you have crossed over your limit on Snapchat.